BC. So you cannot take minus 3 here because it's a length, it will be positive 3k. So this side is 3k. Right, now you have to verify. So when you have to verify, you have sine, cos and tan, right? So let us find out sine, cos and tan first of all. So sine of A I need. That means perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular means BC by AB, right? So BC is 3k and 5k. So this is 3 by 5. Now cos of A you need. Yeah, cos of A is there in the question. That means base by hypotenuse. Now base will be AC upon AB. Base is 4k, this is 5k, and this is 4 by 5. And then you have tan. So tan of A is perpendicular by base, right? So perpendicular will be BC and this is AC. So 3k by 4k, this is 3 by 4. Please note the value, then you can tell me later. Yes, Rida, can I hear you? Hamna, Eman, please unmute yourself. Yes, Eman.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Have you done the homework, Eman?
No, I didn't note down the questions last time.
Okay. At least solve them now. Okay.
Yeah,
Have
fine.
you taken any screenshot or something of the questions?
No.
Okay. So I'll scroll down. Then at least take a picture when I give a homework, right? So that you can do it
Fine.
later on. Yeah. Okay. So this is the question, right? So now you have to prove this. Verify. You have to verify in this question that 3 sine A minus 4 sine cube A and divided by 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A is equal to 3 tan A minus tan cube A and divided by 1 minus 3 tan square A, right? So you have to check whether LHS is equal to RHS or not. So you can put it here also and then we will see whether it is equal to or not equal to, or separately also you can find out LHS and then RHS. So I'm just putting it directly, okay? So 3 into sine. What was the value of sine? Who will tell me? I've just found, right? 3 by 5. Okay, 3 by 5. So 3 into 3 by 5 minus 4 into 3 by 5 whole cube and then divided by, okay, let's do separately. So I'm doing LHS and then divided by 4 into, what was cos?
4 by 5.
4 by 5 whole cube minus 3 into 4 by 5. Okay, sorry. Okay, so here, mm, okay, 1 3 by 5 at least I can take outside just to make things a little bit simple, right? Then I have 3 minus 4 into 3 by 5 whole square and then divided by, so from here I'm taking 1 4 by 5 outside and then I have 4 upon 5 whole square minus 3. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this will become, so from here the denominator 5 will get cancelled out, right? This 5 and this 5 will actually cancel out, so it will be 3 by 4 only. Is that okay? Into, now here, um Okay, you can first expand it. So 4 into 3 into 3 is 9 and divided by 25. Then divided by, then you have 4 into 4 is 16 by 25 and then minus of 3, right? Now, so 3 by 4 you have outside and then 25 will be the LCM of the numerator. 3 into 25 is 75, right? Minus 4 into 9 is how much? 36, right?
Yes.
Am I okay? Divided by, now LCM is again 25. So 16 into 4 that you can multiply. 4 into 6 is 24. Carry 2, 64. Is that okay? Again, 25 into 3 is 75. No, how much is 16 into 4? Have I written correct? Yeah, I think it's 64. Yes?
Yes, ma'am. 64.
Okay, 64. Yeah, because I'll get a negative sign. Okay, anyway. So now it will be, now this 25, 25 will get cancelled out from the denominator, right?
Yes.
Okay, I think now you know how it get cancelled out. And so 3 by 4 into, so 75 minus 36, how much? 15 minus 6 is 9. Then you have 6 minus 3. So 3, I think 39, right? That you can check. Minus, now 64 minus 75 will be something in minus, obviously. And it will be, so 5 and 6 is 11, right? Yeah, 5 minus 4 is 1, 7 minus 6 is 1. So minus of 11 I'm getting. And yeah, if you can, you want, you can multiply. So minus will come outside here, I'm writing. And 3 into 9 is 27, carry 2, 3 into 3 is 9, and 10, 11. So 117 divided by 44. So this is your LHS, right?
Yes.
And I think RHS should also come the same when you have to verify. Let us check. RHS is this 3 tan A minus tan cube A divided by 1 minus 3 tan square A, right? Okay. What was value of tan?
3 by 4, ma'am.
3 by 4. Okay. So 3 into 3 by 4 and minus again 3 by 4 whole cube and divided by 1 minus 3 into 3 by 4 whole square. So again from the numerator 1 3 by 4 you can bring outside, then you have 3 minus 3 by 4 whole square, right? And then divided by 1 minus 3 into this, you can expand. 3 into 3 is 9, 4 into 4 is 16. So this will be 3 by 4 and into, again this will be 3 minus 9 by 16, right? And divided by, okay, so 1 minus, or if I directly take LCM, right? I take LCM. So this will be 16 minus, and 3 into 9 is 27. Is that correct? Okay. So this will be 3 by 4 into, again, 16 LCM of the numerator. Now 3 into 16, how much? 3 into 6 is 18, carry 1, 3, 48. So 48 minus 9, and then divided by, how much is 16 minus 27? 7 minus 6 is 1. Yeah, so minus 11 and then divided by 16. Is that okay? Right.
Yes.
So 3 by 4 and then multiplied by 48 minus 9 will be 39, right? 39 divided by 16. And then you have divided minus 11 by 16. Okay, so if you can do it directly, you can. Otherwise, as I told you, if somebody is confused, so the outer terms will be multiplied together and the inner terms will be multiplied together, that we have discussed before also. So it is 3 into 39 and then 116 will come here. The minus you can write outside as 1 minus sign overall. Now inner terms will be multiplied together. So 11 into 4 into 16. Is that right? Okay, 16 will get cancelled out. And 3 into 39 is again, which I got, I think 3 9 27 carry 2. So 117 and divided by 4. That's the same thing, I think. Yeah. So LHS is equal to RHS.
Can you scroll a bit up once?
Sure. LHS or RHS?
The marriage is only. Ma'am, can you scroll down? Done, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, such questions would come for how many marks?
Yeah, it's a long question. I think 3 or 4 marks it will come. In 3 markers, I think it can come. Yeah. So anyway, so this exercise, we have done some questions. Now let us move forward. And yes, what about the assignment? Has everybody downloaded the assignment from the portal for this exercise? Eamon, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you downloaded the assignment?
No.
Why no? See, every student has their own account, okay? Where you have your own portal on the website where the assignments are uploaded and then they send a message on the group as well that the assignment is active. So it's your duty to visit your portal, download the assignment, and you are supposed to submit it on time there. But at least, like if you have not submitted it there, you can send me a picture at least uh, of the solutions, isn't it? So this is for everybody. Please download the assignments from the portal, solve them. Please send me a picture, okay? It's now your duty. I cannot remind you. How many times will I tell you? Okay, next exercise. So trigonometric ratios of specific angles. So far we were taking a general angle, which is theta. Now we will take up some special values of theta. So we pick 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. So for these values, let us see what is the value of sine, cos, and all the 6 ratios. So I think you already know the table. Let us quickly revise it. So if you have sine of any angle theta, then cos of theta and tan of theta, then you have cosec theta, sec theta, and cot theta, right? Okay. And then I choose angles, which is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. So at least these 5 values you have to remember. Now please see here. You only have to remember sine and you only have to remember tan. That's it. Other values you can write yourself. So sine 0 is 0, half, 1 by under root 2, root 3 by 2, and 1. So this you need to remember. Now cos you can write in reverse order. So 1 will come here, root 3 by 2. So this will be 1 by root 2. Now 1 upon 2 will come here and then 0. Is that okay? Just write it in the reverse way. Now again tan you have to remember. Uh, which actually you don't have to, because you can do, tan theta is again sine theta by cos theta, right? Now if you know sine, you can find out the value of tan, but every time you cannot use the formula and all, so it's better to keep in mind. So tan 0 is 0. This is 1 upon under root 3. This is 1, and this is under root 3, and this is not defined. Is everybody getting it? So actually it is only the value of sine which you have to remember. That's it. Now somehow if you forget like how much is tan 60, so no issue. If you know sine 60, right? So now see here, if you know sine 60 is under root 3 by 2, right? So how much is cos of 60? So if you can write sine values and in the reverse order, so cos 60 will be half. So you can find easily how much is tan 60. This is sine 60 by cos 60, right? And sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So 2 cancels out. It is root 3 by 1, which is under root 3. So it is only in the case you forget the value. That's it. Otherwise, don't do all this every time. Okay. So this sign are important. Please keep this in mind. 0, half, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. Anyway, now cosec is 1 upon sine, right? 1 upon sine. So you can do 1 upon 0 is not defined. 1 upon half, it will become 2. So it will become inverse, okay? Under root 2. So it is 2 by under root 3. 1 by 1 is 1. Now sec is 1 by cos. So you can take inverse of cos values. 1 by 1 is 1. This will be 2 by under root 3. Under root 2, 2. Right, now 1 upon 0 is again not defined. So now tan, so just converse it. So 1 upon 0 will again be not defined. So this will be under root 3, 1. This will be 1 by under root 3, and 1 upon not defined is 0. I hope this is clear to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Now using this table, let us find out some, let us solve some questions. Now please solve this first part. 2 sine square of 30 degree into tan of 60 degree minus 3 cos square of 60 degree and sec square of 30 degree. And please remember, when it is written like this, tan square 30, it means the same thing, right? So tan 30 whole square. Understand? So tan 30 is, as you know, half. So it means half whole square. So that way you can write. Please put the value and try to solve it and tell me the answer quickly. Yes, what is the value? Come on, it's very
Ma'am,
easy.
I got root
Mm.
3 minus 6 by 2.
Minus 6. No, no. Root 3 minus. Okay, let us do it. So 2 into sine 30 is half. So half whole square. Tan 60 is under root 3 minus 3. Cos 60 is half whole square. Sec 30. So cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So it will be 2 by root 3, right? Okay. So 1, 2 will cancel out. So it will be under root 3 by 2 minus. Here also 1, 3 will cancel out. 1, 2 will cancel out. So you have 3 by 2 and into under root 3. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is under root 3 by 2 minus. Now this 3 can be written as under root 3 into under root 3 divided by 2 into under root 3, right? So 1 under root 3 cancels out. So it becomes
Ma'am, it
under,
is sec square theta. No?
sorry.
Ma'am, it is sec square 38.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. No issues. Let me write it. Yeah, there was a square. So anyway, so 2 square cancels out. You only have 3 by under root 3 whole square. Is that right? Yes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. So this will be 3 and upon 3, so it will be 1. So under root 3 by 2 and minus of 1 I'm getting, right? Yeah, it's right. So now take LCM 2. So it will be under root 3 minus 2 divided by 2. So you have to leave it here. You cannot subtract numerator. So this is
Ma'am,
the
could
answer.
you explain the second line again?
Yes, okay. Okay, now see here. This is 2, right? Into 1 upon 2 square means 2 into 2, isn't it? And then you have under root 3 minus 3. So this is 1 upon 2 square and into 2 square divided by under root 3 square. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
You can write it 4, no issue, but if you, I mean, directly also you can cancel. So 1, 2 cancels out. So here you have under root 3 divided by 2, right? Minus. So this is 3 divided by. Now under root 3 square means root 3 into root 3, right?
Yes.
So that actually becomes 3. So under root 3 by 2 minus 3 upon 3. 3 by 3 is 1. So under root 3 by 2 minus 1. Then you take LCM. Under root 3 minus 2 into 1 is 2. So this is the answer. Hamna, can I hear your voice?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Rida, are you there? Rida? Okay, now everyone will solve it very quickly. This is again this question. Now find the value of this. Cos of 30 degree and plus sine of 60 degree divided by 1 plus cos of 60 degree and plus sine of 30 degree. Now please put the values and solve it quickly, very quickly.
Is it 3?
3. No, it's not 3.
Ma'am, root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by 2. Okay, what else? Harsha, what's your answer? Aman, check it again. It's not 3. Do it again.
Ma'am, root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by 2. So this is the right answer, root 3 by 2. Okay, Aman, check it again. Now next question I'm writing. Third. Sine square 45 plus cos square 45 divided by tan square of 60. Now very quickly find out. Aman, have you got root 3 by 2 for the second question?
Yeah.
Okay, now try the third one.
Ma'am, 1 by 3.
Yes, 1 by 3. So if anybody is not getting the answer, please tell me, then I'll solve it. Now fourth one, please do. Yes, what is the answer of fourth one?
Ma'am, can you solve it?
Yes, Rida, have you solved the fourth question? No.
Ma'am, I got 5 by 6
Hmm.
root 3 plus 2.
5 by 6 and
Root 2 plus
root
root
2.
3.
No.
No, 2 plus root 3.
2 minus root 3. I mean, this should be the answer, I think. Okay. Yeah, Eman, what about you?
5 by root
Yeah.
3.
No, then I think I should solve it, right? Anyway, so let us solve it. The fourth one. 5 sine square 30, right? So 5 into sine 30 is 0 half. So half whole square plus cos 45, 0 half 1 by root 2. So this is 1 by root 2 whole square, right? Minus 4 tan 30. So 1 by under root 3. Yeah, 1 by under root 3 whole square. Okay. Divided by 2 into sine 30 is 0 half and into cos 30 is again 0 half. It will be root 3 by 2. And okay, this is plus here. Tan 45 is 1. Yes, so far. Okay. Now it will become 5 divided by 2 into 2, 4 plus 1 upon under root 2 into under root 2 will become 2 minus 4 because 1 square is 1, so it will be 4 upon root 3 into root 3 will become 3, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Divided by this 2 cancel out, so it is only under root 3 by 2 and plus 1. So far, correct? So in numerator, you cannot do anything. Now take LCM. What is the LCM of 4, 2 and 3? 12 it will be, right? 12. So 4 into 3 is 12 and 3 into 5 is 15 plus 6 minus 3 into 4, 4 into 4 is 16, right? And then divided by, now take LCM, which is 2. So under root 3 and plus 2. Am I right? Okay, so in numerator you have 15 plus 6 is 21 and 21 minus 16, or you do it like this. 15 minus 16 is minus 1 and then plus 6 will get you 5. 5 by 12 and then divided by under root 3 plus 2 divided by 2, right? So the outer terms multiplied together and the inner will be multiplied together. So 5 into 2 and divided by 12 into under root 3 plus 2, right? Okay. So this will give you 5 divided by 6 and this is in denominator under root 3 plus 2. So you have to rationalize it because you have a root 2 term in the denominator. correct? So you will do 5 by 6 and into under root 3 plus 2. So you will multiply by under root 3 minus 2 divided by under root 3 minus 2, right? Okay, so this will be 5 into under root 3 minus 2 divided by, then you have a 6. Now this is a plus b into a minus b, so a square minus b square. So root 3 whole square minus 2 whole square. Is that right? So far? Okay, so 5 into under root 3 minus 2 and then divided by 6 into
How did we get divided by 12?
divided by 12. 12 was the LCM, isn't it? The LCM of 4, 2 and 3 was 12.
Okay.
So here it is root 3 into root 3 is 3 minus 2 into 2 is 4, right? So you get 5 into under root 3 minus 2 divided by 6 into minus 1, right? So from numerator, you can take out 1 minus 1 outside. So if I take 1 minus common, so it will be 5 into 2 minus root 3, right? 2 will become plus and root 3 will become minus. And then you have 6 into minus 1 is actually minus 6. So minus 6 minus minus cancel out. So it is 5 by 6 into 2 minus under root 3. That is the answer. Okay, so do the next one which I gave you. This one, fifth question. So Rida, I think you were saying this answer. Yeah. So if you were getting
Yes, ma'am.
so if you were getting this answer, so you cannot leave it here because root 3 is in that denominator, then you have to rationalize it also. So bring it in this form. See, please see one thing. It's not like it doesn't mean that every kind of question is going to come in the exam, right? Obviously, there will be limited questions. But the more type of question you will solve, the more practice with the calculation you will get. And there will be less chances of making a mistake. So that is why I say that solve more and more questions. Okay?
Yes.
There's nothing in this question. Like once you put values, after that there are only calculations.
Is the answer of the fifth question 6?
Okay, answer of the fifth one. What is the answer? Everybody getting it?
I
I
also
got
got
6.
6.
6. Okay, yeah, 6 is the right answer. Okay, I'm writing some more questions then. Now solve this 2 into Okay, now solve this. Just let me know when you are done with the sixth question.
Ma'am, I'm getting a negative value.
Negative value, no. Now do it again one more time. The answer has to be 1 by 4. Who is getting 1 by 4 as the answer?
Ma'am, I got it.
Yes, everyone getting it? Eman, have you got it? Rida, have you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, seventh question. Find the value of theta. Okay, so this type of question is simple. Like you do it like this. So sine of 2 theta. So it will be root 3 divided by 2, right? You can bring the 2 in the denominator. So root 3 by 2. That means sine 2 theta is equal to sine of 60 degree, right? So this implies 2 theta is 60 degree and theta is 30 degree. So quickly find B and C. Okay, now note down some homework questions and you have to do it, okay, everyone.
Finish करो बेटा. The last question.
Yeah, let me just finish it. Sine square of 90. Yes.
Now in the first question, everything is multiplied.
Yes, it's multiplied. Cos 30 into cos 60. Cosec cube 30 into cos 60. Like that.
Okay.
Okay, then at least these three questions you can solve, right? Now, okay, now I have my next class, so you can leave. Please complete up till this exercise.